starting Monday off strong of me wanting to go back to bed the entire day. So, Dad has gone to cut hay. I have been given multiple tasks, including babysitting the roller mill, as well as helping my little brother finish a job that he was given 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then I have my employee in the wash bay finishing up what we were working on last week. So, it's Monday. Let's get started. Right, that has been Monday. We finished up cleaning in the former chicken room that is now done. And then I also did a couple errands, so I drove for my dad a little bit in order to deliver something for somebody. And then the pump is currently broke, but I can't solve that on my own. So that's going to have to where I end today. But yeah, that's been Monday. Alright, so the wrapper has been set up and started, and I didn't take any video of this because it is such a pain to do. So maybe the next row I do. Third cut maybe, if we have a third cut. Anyway, that is that. Okay, so Dad took the hay off yesterday, and this is second cut, and I am in charge of wrapping. I'm about to go get my brother in order to babysit the wrapper, just like last time, and my mom has been enlisted to help drive the bales, as well as we have another employee who is currently doing so as well. So hopefully we'll be able to get everything done before dark, but I've called in an extra milker just in case. So that's where we stand. I'm gonna go tell my brother what's going on, and then when the next load of bales comes in, I can show you that. Alright, so it is Wednesday morning, and we got pretty well done in terms of the bales, and we had, I think, about 8 bales that didn't fit in the wrapper. So if you can hear the engine that's going on, that is my dad currently destroying and rebaling a bunch of the bales. However, it's raining. So I am also prepping. I've got end tarps laid out that I need to cut. I've already cut one and then remembered to take video. But what we'll do is we'll put one of my plastic pieces on the edge, and then we'll put more bales on, and then we'll put another one of these on an end, and then have an ended bale, because the end bales always go bad. So we're hoping we can salvage some of these last 10 bales, but we'll see. I patched a hole earlier. That black strip there, that was a hole that happened because the wrapper decided it didn't want to do its job. And so what I ended up having to do was cut another strip of plastic and tape it, and then try and block the bottom parts with the gravel and the dirt that's on the ground here in order just to seal it off. Hopefully we'll be able to salvage that bale. If not, hopefully we'll just prevent the other bales from spoiling. However, that is where I'm at. Let's get this cut. I'm not too currently concerned about how straight the line is. It doesn't really matter because when it goes onto the wrapper, it folds kind of like that. So it's just, we're trying to keep things airtight, so it just needs to be big enough in order to be able to do that. So if we keep it somewhat folded, like this is currently, it stores somewhat nicer. So let's go put it back where it belongs. Those are the bales my dad is making now. So they're the ones that need to be put on the end of this row. We keep our plastic for the ends and stuff. Right here. That works for now. Baler twine. Got it? as you can see, I'm in the chicken room, which we cleaned out. We just brought in a bunch of beddings and wood chips because I found out we're getting pigs. So that's going to be fun. I don't know the plan. I'm not really involved with the plan. I just become involved whenever I need the genie because for some reason it's been needed a lot whenever other people need it. So yes, I guess I will update as I learn more about said pigs. But yeah, that's where we're at for now. And now I'm going to do a trash run with everything that's in the genie, and then probably go back to cleaning the yard.